Hi kids! Let's practice reading syllables. Are you ready? Let's begin. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Let's repeat. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Fantastic reading! Now, listen carefully and let's read slowly. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Excellent job! You're doing amazing, kids! Are you having fun reading today? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun reading lessons. Let's continue. Pe, pa, pu, pi, po. Awesome reading. Pi, pu, pa, po, pe. Great work. Let's try another rotation. Po, pu, pe, pa, pi. Wonderful. Let's keep going. Pu, po, pi, te, pa. Amazing, kids! Now, let's read again. Fast. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Pe, pa, pu, pi, po. Pi, pu, pa, po, pe. Po, pu, pe, pa, pi. Pu, po, pi, pe, pa. Let's go back to the start, kids. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Again. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Fantastic job, kids! Thank you for reading with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.